In this video, I'm going to show you how to use piano in LMMS. So the first thing you want to do, once you open up a new project or new template over here, you can then go to your song editor. So I'm just going to enlarge this for your better view. There we go. And then to actually get to the piano and be able to use it, you can just double click anywhere in here inside this triple oscillator. And over here, once you do this, as you can see, the piano roll will pop up. And then you can of course make this big as well if you want to, or of course make it small again. And then here, as you can see, I can just essentially play. Now, of course, you can do whatever you want over here. You can add certain nodes in here like that, and then you can use it to your own preference and do with it whatever you want to do with it. But this is how you use it. This is how you open it up, and then of course you want to save it. And then when you go down like this, you'll see that it's been now added inside here. And then you can of course play it like this. It sounds horrible right now, but of course you get the point. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.